Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Daniex Tech 256, and today's video I'm going to be showing you 6 tips to boost your computer. First of all, update your Windows. So to check your Windows, just click on the window button and type Windows Update. Windows Update Settings. So we click on this. So as we are saying, my PC is up to date. I last updated my computer on 21st of 6th of June 2020. So if your computer is lacking some updates from Microsoft, you can just click on this button, check for updates, or you can just download and then install them practically. So that is the first tip. So updating Windows. This will make sure that you are out of virus attacks. Your Windows files are optimized from being attacked by certain viruses that will prompt you to increase or boost the speed of your computer. Tip number 2 is to uninstall unused programs from your machine. So these create and take room for other programs to run. So uninstalling is also simple. Just click on the window button, type control panel. So from there you click on uninstall a program. So all the programs that are installed on your machine will be displayed in this format. So just select a program that you do not use on a daily basis, or that you no longer want from your computer. So just select it, right click on that program, and then you click uninstall. That will also create more space on your machine, thus boosting your computer. Tip number 3, click on the Windows button. Also type control panel. This time you are going to system and security. So system and security. The third tip is going to be about disabling animations. So you're going to be disabling animations so that you can increase or reduce the amount of RAM that's being taken up by those animations that are brought up by these windows. So you click on system. So click on advanced system settings, click on settings. So as you're seeing here in this small window, animate controls and element inside Windows. So you can disable all those so that they do not run while you're running other programs on your computer. So you can do that by adjusting for the best performance. So you can apply your settings and then click OK. Then that's all. Then tip number 4 is to scan for viruses on your computer, for threats. Click on the Windows button, type Windows security. So you click on Windows security. From there, then click on this virus and threat protection. So from here you'll be able to scan for the threats and the viruses that are being installed or that are running on your machine. These viruses do propagate into the boot files of Windows, which can really reduce the speed of your machine. So you can quickly scan for these threats and see which threats are being run in the background. In case you get one, then you can see how you can do it, whether you can quarantine it or you can just throw it out of your machine. So mine, it is currently scanning for threats. let us wait for some good time and see whether. So for your machine, you'll be also doing the same. In case you're running Windows 10, for Windows 7, I think it is the same case, but it is just another way on how you can reach virus and threat protection. So exactly, no threats are being detected. So this will also show you how you'll be prompted to run something from your machine. Tip number 5 is to increase on your RAM. Increase on your RAM. So this will just, it depends. So to check the RAM that is being installed on your computer, just click on the window key, type system. So you click on the system here, it will show you the amount of RAM that is being installed on your machine. So mine is 8 GB. It depends on the type of applications and programs that you do run on your computer. If you simply a video editor, 8 GB and above will be good for you. If you are a producer, a music producer, 8 GB, 4 GB will be good for you. Yeah, it depends on the application that you do run. If you just do typing, 2 GB will also be enough. Then last but not least is clear out all startup programs that are running in the background on your computer. So you do this by clicking on Ctrl Shift Escape buttons. So this pop-up will come. So this one shows you all the programs that are running on your computer. So you can see all the programs that are running in the background which you are not running exactly with the computer. So from here you can just disable them. You can just disable them. For example, I'm not running any Node.js application, so I can just end this task. Microsoft, I'm not running any Office program, so I can just end that task. Just disable. So navigate here and see. Most of these I do, but since I'm running an application here of Adobe After Effects, I should not disable Adobe Safe Helper and Adobe Creative the Core Sync, anti-malware service, the Adobe Update service. I shouldn't, because some of these programs do run with other programs, just bring themselves when you are running another program. So there are also services that do run in the background. There are very many, you see. This one is running, this one is running. So there are very many services that are running in the background that usually do not want. So you can just disable those that you are not using. So this one is somehow more technical, but if you can track the service with the program that is depending on the description of the service that is running, you can easily stop or disable the service, which can also create more space on your computer. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Guys, do subscribe. I remain Daniex 256.